that case study. Okay, guys, PPT is sorry, the Word file is visible to you all, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what you supposed to do that, and this is a case study class. Now, what we have to do in the case study? So here I would like to tell you briefly about the case study. Case study usually we are having in two types. First type will be having a description, will be a detailed case about the one particular company or by the about one particular issue. We have to be read entire case study and we have to understood what is exact problem at the company, and based on identification of your problem you are supposed to give that an exact answer. So mostly in my point of view, what I feel difficulty, in your point you may not be find as a much more difficulty. But when you have like this 10 students or 20 students together in one group, so 20 students, what they will do, 20 different points, 20 different angles, they will be identify the different kinds of problems. So in your point, what is the problem? You can identify and you can give that an appropriate solution for the problem. That is one kind of case study. Second kind of case study is case study will have and the down will be having the questions. What is supposed to do that you are instructed to read the entire case study, understand what exactly problem at the company or the particular issue, answer for the two questions or three questions, whatever it is. Now I'm going to give the case study in second type. So the second type, I will be giving the case study with two questions. So what you supposed to do that you can take 10 to 15 minutes time. Please read the case study in detail. So in this class, I would like to discuss about the two case studies. So read the case study from first to last word and see the questions, and questions related, please give the answer. If you type your question related answer in the chat box, it is really helpful for me. So if you want to type in chat box, you just type your name, first question, what is answer, what you thought. You just type in the chat box. Second question, what could be the answer you felt like that. You just type in the chat box. So after 10 to 15 minutes, we'll call each and every student, will talk to you in detail. Now you just have a look on the case study. Okay, here case study I would like to read. Just a minute. Okay. Here, Mr. Murugan, he is working as a marketing manager. He has just returned from a meeting with his boss, who was happy and congratulated on his previous year's performance. He told Mr. Murugan to take additional responsibility of a project which has not been achieving. What is this? Achieving something, the milestone and targets. The previous marketing manager has resigned and left the company. His boss was worried about worried and wants a reliable person to take over. Mr. Murugan has only a general view about the performance based on the internal briefing, but beyond that, you have no information. His boss gave him a day to decide and had assured support in every way of possible. A success, this would mean a sure promotion immediately. But Mr. Murugan may have to spend more time at work and may end up stressing his personal life. He was sure his spouse would support you fully. At the same time, he is concerned about not being able to spend time with the children, and success in the project is not assured. There are many unknown variables also including in the particular case. Now here you are having the two questions. First question is, what should Mr. Murugan do? Second option, discuss or second question, discuss the ways Mr. Murugan needs to adopt based on the role of the marketing manager. Now this is case study. I would like to give you 15 minutes time. You just have a look on the case study in detail, understood the case, read the case fully, and after your understanding, answer for the first question. You just forget about the Murugan. You just assume you yourself in the particular position. What is your decision? Being an employee, you just think like that by boarding yourself and kindly give them an appropriate answers for this suitable this case study and these particular questions. Okay, guys,
Okay, sir.
done. So you just have a look on the case study. Write on paper first question what could be the approximate answer, second question what could be the answer, or if you want to type in chat box you can type it.
Sir, we have to tell the answer, no?
No, you just write on paper.
Okay, sir.
You just write on paper, or if you want to type in chat box, you can type it, your wish.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Or if you want to tell, okay, we'll have a discussion also, no problem. Your wish.
Okay, sir.
Guys, are you all here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will just give the briefing about the case study. So here, Mr. Murugan is working as a marketing manager for some time in the particular company. Previous year, his performance is really good. Company also very happy about his performance. But the problem is, suddenly one project manager was resigned. He left the company. So boss called Mr. Murugan and he appreciated his work for the last year. So another project manager was left. So you please take the initiative of this particular project. And Mr. Murugan was thinking like he don't know anything about the particular project. If he want to take this project, he want to know in detail about the project. So he has to understood and he want to know that what exactly the problem and what I can do best for the particular project. So this is what he's thinking in a professional way. Whereas in the personal life, he's thinking about his wife. So my wife will support or not? Okay, definitely she will support. What about my children? I'm going to, I'm hereafter I cannot spend much more time with my children. This is one thing. So if the project is success, definitely will I able to get the promotion? Means chances are there. If in case project was failed, how boss will think? Boss will he is going to punish me, transfer me, or suspension, or direct dismiss? That we don't know. And also, he is thinking about the project related what kind of problems are will be there. When once he start to think, then he will be know in detail about by the particular project what kind of variables are surrounding in the particular thing and what kind of problems will come. He will be think like that. Now this is the case. Now here the first question is, what would Mr. Murugan do? Now you please tell me, you are in the position of the Murugan situation. If you are Murugan, what will you do? Okay, first we'll start with Yuvraj. Yuvraj, you please tell me, you just assume yourself, you are as a Murugan, now what you will do?
Sir, first I will.
Sorry?
Hello.
Tell
So,
me.
sir, first I will work from home. I will. Hello.
Why?
Sir, if I want to go to office, the traveling time I can cope up with my family. No, that
Okay.
time traveling time I can cope up with my family.
But here another problem is Murugan, he don't know anything about the project. Until otherwise he's going with the office, until
Yes,
otherwise he's talking with his fellow friends, how he will know about by the work?
sir, he can have communication in phone.
Okay, through communication he will know the information. So
Yes,
he
sir.
can spend time with his family and he
Yes,
can do.
yes, sir.
So that is your assumption. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then second one, the
One,
Murugan needs, yeah, please tell me. Now, in what ways Murugan can adapt marketing manager related the roles? Because manager means you're supposed to go for company because every day hundreds of people will come and meet you. They will appreciate, they will talk you, they will tell negative about your company or positive about your company. They will praise you, many things. So, being a marketing manager, how you will be adapt?
so being a marketing manager, I will promote from online the customer I can catch the customer from online, sir.
Hmm. Then,
And that much only, sir.
okay, okay. Megan Kumar,
Yes, sir.
what is your suggestion?
Sir, as a marketing manager, we have to develop marketing strategy, sir, according to the product which they are producing, sir.
So, what is your strategies? Being a marketing manager, how you will be developed? Any one strategy? Can you just tell us?
Uh, According to the brand, sir, if the
Okay.
brand is milk products, we have to dealing with milk dealers, sir.
Hmm.
We have to face the situation face to face, sir.
Okay. So you want
As a
to work from
marketing
home
manager,
or sorry?
no, sir, no, sir, nothing, sir.
You want to work from home or you would like to go for the company?
Sir, I want to go for company, sir,
You want to
not
go.
work from home.
Okay, okay. Mrudula, what is your opinion, Mrudula?
Sir, as like Megan told, we can improve our marketing strategies to promoting like super advertisements. Then what else?
Okay, first
Sir,
question.
advertisement plays a major role in marketing, sir.
Okay, okay. First of all, you are in the Murugan position. Will you ready to accept the new project?
Okay, sir.
Are you accepting or you will be denying?
I'll accept it, sir.
You will accept it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what kind of problems you are going to face? Are you aware? You
So
don't
much
know.
of work pressure will be given, sir. So
Correct.
we can't have like personal time, family time will be eradicated.
Hmm. For example, after using boss your efficiency, he is not giving promotion. By the time, how you will feel?
So we can climb or we can question them like that we can do something.
That is what they mentioned in the case study. After completing the project, there is no guarantee for gas. Sorry, the boss will going to promote. The boss will going to promote you for higher officials levels or promotion. There is no guarantee about that.
Sir,
Even
if we
though,
are working in the particular firm, if the task is given to us, we have to complete it, sir, without any expectations or something. Because we have to safeguard our work first of all, then we can think about promotion and all.
very good. Okay, Niraimati. Niraimati. Sanjanath. Sanjanath, are you ready to accept the challenge being a marketing manager?
Yes, sir, I will accept, sir. Both of trying.
You are ready to accept.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What kind of problems you are going to face? Are you aware?
Yes, sir, I'm aware that my family is, I mean, I have no time to spend with my family and I have more of work pressure.
Hmm.
All these things have to be considered and then I have to jump into this.
You are taking this much of pressure, even though there is no guarantee for your promotions or any further development. Still, you are ready to take the challenge?
Yes, sir, I think it's worth of give a try. If we want, we will be assured, I mean, not assured, we will just get some promotions or whatever. Like that.
Hmm.
Fail, we have to face the consequences. But if we fear of failures, then we can't do anything, sir.
Hmm. Boss also definitely will recognize your work because you are taking a new challenging task and suddenly somebody was left you. So boss knows that already you proved your work. So he's very happy to give work for you also. Okay, but in this challenging situation, you cannot able to spend with your family, friends. There is no leave for you. Even though if you are ready to take the challenge, it is really appreciable to you.
Mm.
Even what kind of problems you are facing, you are aware. Do you have any strategies for success of the company?
Like my skills, have to I have not experienced.
Okay.
Like any weak times like that, will make them think like making them to get some places and feel them comfortable in the weekends. Likewise, I can say so.
Okay. Then next, Ganesh.
Yes, sir.
Ganesh, are you ready to face the challenge to take the position of the marketing manager?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What kind of problems you are going to face, you are aware.
Yes, sir.
So even though you are ready to take the challenge,
Yes, sir.
right? Being a marketing manager, what is your strategies to face the problem? Do you have any strategies? No strategy. That is your strategy, right? Okay. Next, Sri Kavya.
Sir,
So generally, women will have many works at their house.
yes,
If
sir.
you are in the Murugan position, will you able to take this challenge? How will you manage your husband or by your personal life at your house with your children? It is a challenging task for you. Are you ready to accept the challenge?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is your confidence?
I can able to manage all the work, sir.
How? What could be the strategy for you to manage?
Strategy.
Because everybody will have 8 hours time only. Within these 8 hours, how will you manage your workload?
Sir,
Okay, being a marketing manager designation, how will you know about the problems? Okay. Sarkar, Sunanda Sarkar.
Yes, sir.
But you just tell me how you will, are you ready to take the problems?
Yes, sir.
You are ready to accept the challenges and problems. Now, being a marketing manager for men means they can go to the market and they can give the promotion. So being a woman, marketing challenges are too high for you. How will you face the problem? How are you going to face? Do you have any techniques or any uh, plus points to face this challenge? Any way to adopt the new role? Because earlier your domain is different and now you are going to become a marketing manager. So how you will equip yourself with the different kinds of new methods? Sunanda, tell me.
Mm.
Okay, leave it. Anukumari.
yes, sir.
So, being a marketing manager, how you yourself will equip all the latest techniques, trends, how you will be fulfilled.
So first, I'll give a name for our product which I'll receive, and a good name. Then a logo which will suit the name for a product. A logo is important, and then a slogan, Then there are so many social media platforms where I can promote my products like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Then I can promote and convince the customers to buy it and give some reviews on the products, whether they like it or some problems they can share so we can correct it and again give that. Something like that, so we can manage it. It's easy only.
Okay, these all are going to be called as external management. But when it comes to the internal, first you worked so far in some other domain, suddenly you are promoted because of somebody was left.
Yes,
So
sir.
are you ready to take the challenge as a marketing manager?
Of course, sir.
Okay. Now you don't know anything about the marketing manager related roles and responsibilities.
Yeah.
Now, by this crucial situation, how you yourself will be equipped?
Sir, after I get into marketing management, after I get promoted there, first I will want to learn what a marketing manager should do. There are so many videos and books about it. I'll learn from them first about some general informations and then I'll implant it and I'll think of my own what I should do and I'll combine them and I'll implant it.
Okay. Kartika,
Yes, sir.
are you ready to face the challenge to take or to work as a marketing manager in the same company?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why are you accepting? Because that is a new domain for you. Why do you like to become a marketing manager? Do you have any strong points?
Sir, no, sir. More accept the work, sir, because the only general view about the performance from boss side, sir. So we accept the work, sir.
How you yourself will be developed?
We learn from marketing management should manage the work, sir.
Megan Kumar completed.
Yes, sir, I completed.
Then okay. Okay, then we'll go for I think everybody was completed except Niraymati. Niraymati. Okay, now we'll see the case study once again. So Murugan is a marketing manager. He returned from the particular meeting and was congratulated with last year's performance. But we don't know which department he has been worked. But because of suddenly somebody was resigned, we are transferred him as a marketing manager. Now, once you join the company, you will be having job rotation, one important element. Especially when you have a look on the government companies or a government institution, they will be have job rotation. So you are working for 5 years or 6 years in the same particular designation, and they will give the promotion for you. Or they will transfer from one department to another department. So why they are doing like this is everybody should learn all the departments, how it is going to be functioning. Initially, they don't know about the particular work. They know about their duties and responsibilities. And this you are supposed to do for everyday activity. Once you take up the charge of the particular designation, your subordinates or your superiors will guide you or will address you for some time. It may be a couple of months or 2-3 months, 3-4 months also. So they will guide you what you're supposed to do. Now, after 4-5 months, once you have been understood what is the work you are supposed to do, after that onwards, you are start to think about beyond this what I can do. This is what they said, your fundamental duty. Now, by doing your regular work, you are understood that I can do much more better the same work in different way. So you are start to do different kinds of experiments so that ultimately what will happen, your job will be more easier or your job is going to be expand like anything. So all these things will be having only by You are accepting the work whenever you are having a vision, how I can do the same work in different dimension. For example, in a newspaper, everybody is giving an advertisement. I'm giving my advertisement in opposite direction. We are reading like this newspaper. Somebody was giving advertisement in opposite direction like this, rotation. So automatically when you open the newspaper, we will be feel little bit strange. Why this advertisement was something different? They will turn the paper and they will see the advertisement. So that is also one kind of strategy which is good followed by the companies. So once you understood about the mindset of the people or the employees or the customers, then you can able to do different kinds of innovation. But here the work related only you will be having an enjoyment. Once you learn the work, you can demand the management or by they themselves will observe you, your working performance. He is very good employee, he is working sincere, he is working more hours at the company. We are giving different new jobs for the same employee. He is working at the same time. 5 years he is working as a marketing manager. Next 5 years he is ready to working as HR manager. Next 5 years he is working as a store in charge. Whatever designation you are giving, he is ready to work. And he is using and introducing the new techniques. So automatically management will identify your efficiency. By that time, you need not raise your voice for increment or promotions or transfers or anything. Whatever you need, company will give you. There is no doubt about that. Second side of the coin, that is your personal life. So personal life, everybody will be having a different way. So I said in the case study, only to talk about wife and children or husband or children. What about your father and mother? If they are in the position of senior citizens, or if you are in joint family, or your father or mother, somebody was patient. So by that time, how these personal factors will be influencing on your professional career. And also they mentioned very clearly in the particularly this project is not at all assured for the success. 50-50 chances are there. It is just like a Y2K problem. So during the Y2K problem, we have a dynamo situation. All computers are going to be crashed. But due to that different kinds of innovation, still we are sustaining. And another problem is after completing this project, you will be prove yourself after completing the project. After that onwards, there is no need to work again for the same or similar kind of projects. Then what is the use of your experience? So, but anyway, we have to know very clearly about by the company. So first question, what should Mr. Murugan do? Being an employee of the company, you are supposed to be bounded to work for any job which is going to be assigned by the management. Whatever jobs they are giving, wherever they are transferring, whatever the designation, you are bound to be work. You should not say like, this is not comes under my limits. Boss simply will tell you like, put your paper and go. So being an employee in the company, because they know very well, they won't give everybody like just like that an important roles. They trusted you and they believed your performance. That is what they mentioned the first the beginning of the case study. Mr. Murugan was just returned from a meeting with grand success. Congratulations of his particular work the previous year. So they trusted you and they are giving work for you. They have certain belief on you. So first thing is Murugan has to be accepted to do the work. There is no doubt on that. Now here discuss the way of Mr. Murugan, what he has to be adopt. So being a marketing manager, what is the role you need to adopt? Somebody said they will read the books, or somebody said they will see videos, or sometimes the marketing manager what they will do that they will be undergone sometime as an apprentice. They will see some other department or some other company marketing manager how they are functioning and what is the role and responsibility. So they will be learned by to meet different kinds of people, or he may watch the success stories of the marketing manager of the different companies, how they are equipped with themselves, how they are doing innovative strategies for the grand success of their company. So this is, in my view, these are the 2 points. In your view, you may accept my points or you may go for the contradict also. This is generally happened everywhere. Now this is first case study. Now we'll see the second case study. This is visible to you, right? Yuvraj?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here there is a second case study. The case study title is 627. So the company name is 627. Now this 627 is a telecom company. It is a telecom company marketing state of art of telecommunication equipment. The company is currently in the process of developing a new generation type of mobile phones. When developed, the phone will enable users not only to make standard telephone calls and connect to the web, but will have a small screen which will enable user to view the person at the other end of the line in high definition, unlike a competitor's model whose definition characteristics leave a lot to be desired. Needless to say, investment to develop the technology and market to produce a particular product is substantial. As part of the development process, the company is eager to find out more about the potential customers for this product. In particular, they are interested in finding out if there is a market for the product, how big this market might be, and how customers will be respond to this concept. The purpose of hiring a specialist market research agency with skills in the area of researching buyer behavior, particularly for a new product concept. Now, what they want to tell you, like there is a one company, 627 Telecommunication. So far, they produced only telephone related equipments like mobile phones. They will be having earphones, or sorry, the bells, ringer, RAM, hard disk, like that equipment only they are producing. Now the companies decided to manufacture mobile phones. Now here what they are thinking is technology is very cost, high definition, and we are adding by the new features in the particular mobile. Now here they are very eagerly waiting about where is their customers. That is one point. Second thing is they are very much interested to conduct about the market research, to whom we have to be given and how to develop the new product. These are the two important points for them. Now when see the questions, what areas of bias behavior should this proposal to the research encompass and why? So in which area and who are the buyers are going to buy our particular product, that we need to be identified, and what kind of research we can be follow. Second thing is what type of research techniques might be useful for researching this area. So if you want to conduct a market research, what kind of research you will be follow. But in the case study, last but one line, they mentioned they propose hiring a specialist market research agency. So they themselves can go for market research, or they can give it to the agency. Agency will follow different kinds of techniques. Now, if you follow if you want to follow, what kind of research techniques you will be follow. And this is the case study. You please read the case study clearly in detail. After 10 minutes, we'll have a discussion on this. Okay, guys?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Hmm. Yes. We'll start.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So this 6 to 7 telecommunication, they are only producing the spare parts. Now they are producing the full mobile phone. Now they have two problems in their hand. First problem is, where are the customers? Second problem is, how to find out the customer. For that, what kind of research we can do. These are the two problems are there in the hands of the 6 to 7 telecommunications. Now we'll see the question. What areas of bias behavior should this proposed research encompass and why? Now, you please tell me what kind of research they can do.
The random sampling method, sir.
Random sampling method. What is this random sampling method?
The random sampling means from 100 people, from a group of 1,000 people, around 10 to 100 people are being picked, and they have been asked questions that how to on this product, what do you like, how much price, and on what quality you want. That's
So
all.
if there is 100 employees, sorry, there is some 100 people means we can take randomly 30 members and we can ask what color, what design you want to be required in the particular mobile. That is simple random sampling. That is what you are telling. Okay. Now, how will you select these 30 members? How will you select the 100 members?
Sir,
How will you identify?
according to the
Sir, survey
income,
method, sir.
How will you do survey?
Like these kind of products will be only variety seeking customers will be buying it, sir. So we have to go in search of them. Like
For example, now I'm going to be manufacturing a toothpaste. Now, where I supposed to introduce my toothpaste in India? In which state I can sell my toothpaste? In which state?
So some urban states, sir, because they are the developed people, so they will use toothpaste. Because in villages and
Foreign
all,
state, there is a one problem because my company is a new company, so I don't have any kind of a strong distribution channel or by the network. So where I can sell my products, how I will know that the particular state I can sell my products initially.
sir, you have to sell product in that state where people are above the above the line, below the line, and in line with the income, so that you can know the consumer behavior according to the income and age groups are like that.
Best of my knowledge, everybody will have a brush. Toothpaste is compulsory for them in their daily life. How they
Okay.
are drinking coffee, tea, compulsory for them toothpaste. Whether they are below poverty line or above poverty line, even in rural area, remote areas also, people are buying toothpaste and they are using.
Yes,
And
sir,
sir.
if the toothpaste is of affordable price, like all the level of people can buy, they can distribute, sir, wherever they want. But if it is like so much expensive and all that, they can't they can't put stalls in urban areas and all, sir. Sorry, rural areas and all, sir.
nowadays we can find all companies are giving toothpaste for 10 rupees onwards minimum.
Yes, sir.
So in that situation, everybody will buy your toothpaste. Now my question is, how will you identify these people or the particular geographical location people will consume your product? How will you know?
By their living standards, sir.
By their living standards.
Standard of living, right?
Standard of living.
So by the GDP of that state.
GDP of the state. GDP is for country. Okay.
So an age group, and there are small how the small babies are there, adults are there, or older peoples are there, like that.
Toothpaste is unisex. Anybody can use.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mostly this 5 years baby, 3 years baby, they won't encourage toothpaste. But apart from that, if it is more than 5 years, means usually you from 5 years to 60 or above, they will be usually use that one. Okay. How will you identify means if it is a new company, what they will do that because the entire India, all 23 or 26 states are to be users. Everybody will be consuming, everybody will be using. There is no doubt on that. But here what you supposed to do that you have to take your comfortable platform. So if you start your company in one particular location, so in the particular state, you can satisfy the particular geographical location. In all people, you can provide your toothpaste. Once they satisfy, slowly you can spread, because this is compulsory for everybody. Every day they have to be brushed. Otherwise, your neighbors will be hospitalized. No doubt on that, your friends or somebody else. They have to face the serious consequences. So, toothpaste is compulsory and more or less it is going to be affordable. Once upon a time in rural area, they will be using the toothstick, Nimmu toothstick or something else. Now, everywhere people are using toothpaste only. So, everywhere everybody is consuming and they are using. So, take your comfortable zone, start your product. Now, you have to be focusing much more on marketing only. So, there is no need much more exercise on this aspect. But you need to be very clearly focusing on whether where you are going to start your market, that was the target market of any other company or not. That you need to be very clearly focused. Because if it is a target market of one company means you cannot be sustained in the long run. So take your comfortable platform, you can manufacture, you can produce. Okay, that is separate story. But our topic is 6 to 7 telecommunication bells. Now here they want to identify the consumers. Once upon a time, only some people only will have landline connection. During that time, for 1 lakh people, one person only will have mobile phone. Now what it is going to be happen, the current trend has been changed from last 10 to 15 years. Now everybody is having 2 mobile phones. And nowadays everybody is having 1 smartphone with them. Now the entire India, entire world is a target market for you. Everywhere you can sell your products. But the problem is you are supposed to face by your competitors. Have you heard about Lava mobile phones? Virgin mobile phones?
Yes, sir.
All these phones are gone out now. Now you cannot find out anywhere. Because they are not at all giving a good competition to their competitors, so that they left it. So that is the reason the 6 to 7 telecommunication, what they are doing is they are providing automobile, the components who are going to manufacturing by the mobile phones. For example, Samsung Mobile is going to manufacturing a mobile. So what this company will do, they will provide bells, mics, like that. Now they are realizing that means they are in the same field. So they know very well where the company is selling the products or what could be the profit of the company. Now, based on their profit, based on the availability of the other competitor mobile futures by comparison, they can go for effective qualitative mobile they can be produced, because they are only producing so many years by the components. They know the component price is 5 rupees or 10 rupees. Altogether, all component price is not more than 5,000 rupees. But the mobile is selling in this market as a 10,000, 11,000 rupees. 100% profit they are selling. So these companies won't be sit quiet. They are also trying to enter the market. How it is going to be happened by the Reebok company. Reebok company, they never manufacturing any products. What they will do, they will give all products to the other companies and they will be manufacturing the product. Finally, they will put logo. This is the product of the Reebok company and they will sell the product in the market in the name of the Reebok. Now, inside of the mobile phone, the components we never see. We will see only the brand of Samsung, Redmi or something MI. So now the company know that the price of the or the cost of the particular product. So what they will do, they will understood the buyer behavior. So how the buyer will buy, if it is a new mobile means, will they able to accept or not? For that, what they supposed to do? They need to conduct, somebody said, we can have a survey. So in survey, we can find out that how many people are showing interest or preference that to buy the new mobile, new company mobile. So we can identify where is the potential customers. They requested us to buy the new mobile. That market we need to be identified by survey. Second question is what type of research techniques you can follow. So mostly nowadays all MNC companies what they are doing is they don't have time to conduct the market survey. So they are giving to the outside people and they are conducting survey on behalf of us. And finally, based on that report, management is going to take the actions. Now, here also, the research is something like what she said, surveys method is one thing. Second one is observation. So before you are going to manufacturing a new mobile phone in the market, you can interact with the people. You can talk to them. Are you happy with this mobile? Just like a friend, not as a company executive. So are you happy with this mobile? What better features can we have? So what people are talking about the mobile features. By that time, you just keep an eye. Observe. So by observation, you will be getting more information. If at all required, you can conduct interviews also. How government will conduct the census every 10 years once 2011 they have been conducted, again 2021 they will be conducting another survey. And based on this survey, government will be preparing different schemes. Or if at all required, you can go for experiments. So the person who is using another company mobile like Samsung, Redmi or MI, give him your mobile, your new company mobile. Ask him to use for 2-3 days. After completion of the 2-3 days, just collect the feedback from the employee. Are you happy with your mobile or this new mobile? So you are happy with the new mobile. Then what features have made you so happy? So conduct a scientific experiment. How it is going to be happened in the point of Big Boss show. So Big Boss show also to be like a reality show. They will check your patient's IQ levels and they will test your relationship, friendship, and every dimension they will be cleanly observe you. Finally, they will show the real character of the particular person. Now here also we can do different kinds of experiments on bias. Finally, you can understood who is very happy about your product. Or sometimes you can follow by the secondary method or data analysis, or you can follow that the recent trends. So most of the time what companies will do that they will follow by the other competitors. One competitor will take this new step and other companies also immediately they will follow by the same step for their success. So in that way also you can try, you can develop your company. That is also one of the way of research. So here you can follow any method, you can take any step for your success. But here ultimate target is how you will be identify your consumers. Identify your consumers. Once you identify, then definitely if he is not satisfied, you can satisfy him by doing different changes. If in case he is not satisfied, then again you can provide what all things is required. Satisfy means very good, nice. Your company will be earning super profits. But first foremost task is identification of the consumer. This is important task for the companies. Once you identify, sometime other company buyer also will slowly convert to buy your product. That is the reason many companies will be doing research. Even you can see this in Andhra Pradesh. I told you many times also. The state government was appointed a committee, Sri Krishna Committee and Boston Consultancy Groups, and they have been came to Andhra Pradesh for a 1 week time they went for the entire state, and finally they have given a full-fledged report and what are the locations and what are the resources are to be available, in which location you can start your capital of the Andhra Pradesh. So like that, you can also have one committee, go for send them throughout India, let them do the research, find out the best place where the customers are located, and you can sell your product. Of course, it is expensive, but if you do this research properly, then definitely you will be getting a super profit, success of your company. Okay, anybody want to say any comments? The first point, like, how will you identify your buyers? Anything you would like to add, you just tell me. Guys, anything you would like to add? Or we can wind up. Tell me, Anukumari.
Nothing, sir.
Okay, guys, we'll see you in the next class. I think Saturday last hour.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will read that who are all present. Mrudula, Megan Kumar, Sri Kavya, Yuvaraj, Anukumari, Shravan Ganesh, Kartika, Sanjana, Tejas, Sunanda, Niraimati, Raghav Sai. These are the present.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.